thundering and lightning and snowing and blowing. Look at that. Here it comes again.
Well, McKinney Ward happened this year. I ain't finding nobody that live with my wife. Well, I got checked down for 5 days a week, so about 3 days a week.
Wow. Oh, that's scary. I'm inside. Hey, my Christmas lights look cool. See? Here's from the inside of the tree. And there it is, way, way back there. Yeah, snow thunder is quite unusual. Look at that. Wow. I'm just glad I'm inside. See? Look how bad it is under that light. It's just getting worse and worse as the hours go on. Wow. This is bad. By the way, there was a man here that he delivers paper every morning at like 4:30, and it's around 4:30, and I feel sorry for him. He has to get out of his truck and deliver papers in this horrible weather. I think I saw a little lightning. Maybe not. Wow, look at that over there. We'll try to get... Yep. Look at that. That's really bad. Oh my goodness. This is one scary storm. I definitely do not want to go to sleep. Wonder if all these other people are in bed. Ooh, no. See, it's muffled thunder. Because if I try to go to sleep, the thunder's just gonna wake me up. Or the wind, or something else. Wow, oh my goodness. It is bad. I'm gonna attempt to go in the front hall. Just attempt. Yeah. Oh boy. Well, let us see. But I'm not gonna open up the window. But yeah, it's pretty bad. Look at that. Look at that under the light, the street light. Lightning. Yeah, if I was to open up this door, I would get carried out by the wind and the whiteout conditions. So, not a good idea. I'll just stay right here. I'm sure you guys can see plenty. It's a whiteout storm. I'm sure there's going to be tons of closings, maybe a driving ban. I'll take a peek. Oh, I'm so daring. Look at that. Okay, I gotta shut the door. Ooh, okay. It's a cold one too. Yeah, it's pretty bad. All the snow blew on the porch. You could see, filled up the recycle bins. Hear the snow hitting the window? Bad.